Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we are unboxing the January 2025 Sew Sampler Box. So if you're new to the Sew Sampler boxes, I will put a link on where you can get them below this video. Sometimes they sell out, sometimes they have spots open, so you'll have to check their website to see if they have any openings right now. The boxes are monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes released by Fat Quarter Shop. They're $29.95 a month. We're going to take a look and see what's inside this month's box, and at the end I'll tell you the entire total value of this month's box. So let's go ahead and get started. So the theme for this month is called Embracing New Possibilities. There is also a 15% off all charm packs coupon code on the back, and then there's also a link for a quilt in case you don't like the quilt in this month's box that you can download and get from their website as well. Each month's box comes with a little insert that tells you everything that's in the box, the retail value, and how to use it. So we're just going to go ahead and dive right in. I'm going to start off with the Peaceful Baskets sew along block. So this is block number 10. This sew along has been going on for 10 months, that means, which means we're almost done. We have a couple more blocks and then they'll send out the finishing and then they'll start on to a new box. If you're new to my channel, I am saving all of these patterns in a bundle for you guys, and once they release all of them along with the finishing, I'll bundle them all up and do a giveaway for one of you. But here's what this month's pattern looks like, and you can also get the patterns on the Fat Quarter Shop website. They retail for $4.98. All right, and then we're just gonna jump right in with some of the items in this month's box. So the first thing they have in here are these John James size 10 needles. These are a bonus value at $4.98, and these needles are good for binding and also English paper piecing. The next thing they put in our box this month is this new thread, and I believe this was a new brand if I remember correctly. It's 50 weight Scantiful coconut milk, 100% organic cotton thread. I'm assuming the coconut milk is the color. It retails for $8.48, and it says, born in the Netherlands, Scanfil organic thread is spinning its way into sewing room stitch by stitch, boasting the Global Organic Textile Standard GOTS and Ocotex certified for standard 100 Scanfil threads are crafted from the finest Supima organic cotton. They are grown in the U.S., totally free of pesticides and chemicals, preferred by paper piecers for English paper piecing. It's also low lint, silky smooth, super strong, and perfect for both machine and hand sewing. So this is, like I said, new, so I've never tried it. So it's kind of cool that Fat Quarter Shop put this in our box for us this month so we can check it out and try it. Let me know in the comments below if you've had a chance to try this. It looks a little bit more organic, and it says low lint, but I feel like I can see little lints on the thread already, so that might just be from it being packaged. I don't know if you can see that on camera or not, but anyways, it looks like a just really nice neutral, like natural color. The next thing in our box are these Hot Cross Buns English Paper Piecing Pack. This value is at $8.98, and it says this is the all-in-one piece pack you need to whip up the Hot Cross Buns Table Runner by Paper Pieces, complete with precise instructions for cutting, basting, and sewing with paper pieces. It is the ultimate portable project. Grab the piece pack, pattern, fabric, needle, and thread, and you're ready to go. And so in the back, it has all of the different sizes that you need for the pattern. And I know Fat Quarter Shop had mentioned they're going to start doing a combination of English paper piecing and regular piecing in their boxes, just to give you a little bit of a variety depending on what you like. And then, of course, along with that is the Hot Cross Buns Table Runner pattern. This value is at $9.98, and it says, if you're wondering about English paper piecing, here's the perfect starter. Paper Pieces, the go-to for EPP patterns, tools, and goodies, brings you the Hot Cross Buns Table Runner. It's a beginner-friendly EPP projects. Watch their included Learn to EPP videos and follow the pattern to mix up a stunning ombre table runner using the charm packs included in this month's box. You'll be stitching in no time. No sewing machine needed. And so this is really cute. It's got all the information of what you need on the back. This finishes at 15 by 49.5. And in case you don't like the paper piecing, they did include a regular pattern as well. And here is that. The Fresh Start quilt pattern values $9.98, and it says kick off the year with a fresh start. This 9-patch quilt along is a breath of fresh air, quick and easy with a twist that adds a touch of elegance and energy. You're all set with some 5-inch squares and background fabric. It's perfect for using up scraps, but why not dive into the charm packs from this month's box? Give this quilt and your sewing year a fresh start. They also said they have limited finishing kits available at Fat Quarter Shop, and it looks like it has 2 different sizes, 72 by 72, and then they also have a 72 by 89.5. So all that information is on the back, but it looks like just a really cute and beginner-friendly quilt pattern. And if you can see the layout there, the blocks are set on point, but it's a relatively easy pattern nonetheless. You are cutting some of the pieces on the bias, so I would just recommend either pre-starching or using some Mary Ellen's Best Press if you're going to make this quilt. But I like that they gave us 2 different options, the EPP or the traditionally pieced quilt, in case you want to learn something new if you haven't tried EPP. The fabric in this month's box, we're getting 3 charm packs of the Sunday Brunch by Basic Gray for Moda Fabrics. This values at $35.94, and it says, kick back and soak in the Sunday vibes with Sunday Brunch by Basic Gray. This collection bursts with vibrant modern hues, blooming florals, and playful geometric designs. Sleek, stylish, and oh so delightful, these 3 charm packs of 5-inch squares will whip up more than just a snack-sized project. It's a full-on quilty feast. So 3 charm packs is a great value, and they just have kind of a variety of colors. There's sort of an aqua, some oranges, some corals, a little bit of pinks, and then this main print up on top. And there's a lot of things you can do with a charm pack, and the fact that we got 3 charm packs, if you don't like the patterns that were included in this month's box, you still have a lot of options on what you can do with this fabric. So I added everything up for you, and the value of this month's box is $83.32, which is a great value for that box. It's, again, they're $29.95, I think it is, for the box itself. So that's a really good value in this month's box. I think it's because we got so many charm packs. I am going to be giving away the contents of today's box to one of you. So in order to win, I have a few rules. Which way do I go? Number 1, make sure you're a subscriber of my channel. I like to do giveaways as a way to say thank you. Number 2, leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite thing was from this month's unboxing. And number 3, US only, please. I'm so sorry, international shipping is really expensive right now. So that is it. If you would like to enter, please make sure to leave a comment below. I will reply to your comment. I will also add your name under this video as the winner. So if you are unsure if you've won any of my giveaways, always look in the description box below the video. The spammers can't get to that. And then if you have any questions, you can also email me at erica@confessionsofahomeschooler.com to verify whether or not you've won, and then I will let you know. Please don't reply to anyone else. That's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next video.